Can you imagine making the fluffiest, most filled, and frosted donuts at home without any complications? Today I'll show you step by step how to make homemade donuts with soft and fluffy dough. I'll show you the 4 essential versions: classic glazed, chocolate covered, with Boston cream filling and blueberry jam filling. Perfect for any occasion. Choose your subtitles. Ingredients in the description. The dough. Ingredients: 2 cups of bread flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon instant yeast or 3 teaspoons active yeast, 2/3 cup of cold milk, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, ½ teaspoon of salt. Rest 60 minutes. Pastry cream. Ingredients: 3 egg yolks, 2/3 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, ½ tablespoon butter. Cool down. Sugar glaze. Set aside. Chocolate coating. 1/4 cup heavy cream. 3.5 ounces chocolate, ½ tablespoon butter. Set aside. Shaping the dough. Rest 20 minutes. Rest 20 minutes.